Heidi ho, welcome to my channel, Your Finger My Ring. So I got another new one for you, a Polynesian coin. That's 100 francs. I presume that's a franc. It's quite a dark, I think it's like a dark bronze. So there you go, it's beautiful, isn't it? So first of all, let's punch a hole in it. How's everybody doing today? Everybody well, hopefully. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that subscribe button and the like button. If you're new to the channel, there's a little button there, a little red one. If you press that, you're automatically subscribed. And hit the like button, I really would appreciate it. I could do with the help. Well, let's go over to Big Bertha and let's punch a hole in this puppy. This is a hydraulic press. Okay. I've got to slap it on the bottom again. Yeah, if you're watching the video, please hit the like button. Or if you don't like it, hit the thumbs down. I could do with the love, honestly. I'm trying to build this channel up a bit. Okay, we're all good there. Alright, there you go. That's nicely punched through. I just want to clean up this edge. It's a bit sad. And for that, we use our deburring tool named Christy Burr. This just cleans up the edges, so he's making sure that there's no fractures formed or hairline cracks. Otherwise, yep, it causes your ring to split. If you're looking for a custom-made ring, look no further. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's loads of rings in there. If you see one you like and you want that particular ring, I can adjust the size up or down for you. I just need you to send me your ring size and I'll gladly do it for you. Or you can also send me your own coins and I'll turn them into rings for you. Right, that looks nice. Yeah, let's come up nice and clean. All right, now I need to show out a bit of love with Bernie the fire starter. Windy day here today, loads of rain. Still, not as windy it's going to be in Florida in the next few days. Looks like they're going to have it bad there. Okay. Yeah, I think this is bronze, this coin. Or copperish. So. I think we're going to have to go with this face sunny side up on the ring because it's quite beautiful. You've got the old palm trees there. Yeah, it looks nice. So first of all, this goes face down in a 17-degree folding die. go to big red. And oh yeah, this is nice and soft. Right, where's another one? There you go. Okay, that is fully folded. So we break out Sandy, just clean up that edge again. You've got to keep your eye on it all the time, because cracks can still form when you're playing with it. So a little bit more. That's not too bad. Right, let's take it over to your friend and mine, Mr. Spike. There he is. We use a bit of kitchen roll in between Spike and the coin to protect the inside detail. I quite like this new ring stretcher, or the bits I got for it, because my other one just broke. It said no more. A touch more. It's quite soft, this coin, so I don't have to heat it up too many times. This isn't for anybody in particular. But if you want this one, I can adjust the size up or down for you. It'll probably be down a bit for you, because it's quite a big ring at the moment. There you go. Right, let's show it a bit more love with Bernie. And then we'll reduce it. I had a guy contact me yesterday about what tools I use, or what I started with. There's a video. If you go back to my videos, you'll see what tools I used. What I still use. I mean, there is cheaper ways of doing it, but I intended to do it for real, so. I did buy some cheap stuff to start with, like an idiot. Don't buy cheap tools. It never pays. Right, let's go down to the bottom end of Spike. And these are reducing dies. This is what I can reduce the size of a coin ring. See, at the moment, it's not fully done, but at the moment, this is a size 17 3/4. Let's turn that over. See, we're slowly getting there. I'm just looking to straighten them walls up like that. It's nice and straight. Yeah, that's good. Maybe a touch back the other way, just a touch. But I don't want to go a touch too much. That's nice. Right, next we want to clean out this lip. See that lip there? A little line. Well, that's got to come out because it makes the ring uncomfortable to wear, and it gives you a full size reading. Nearly there. My cat's trying to get in. Can you hear me meowing? I'll let her in one day. Any of you cat fans out there? Got any comments? Drop them underneath the video. Good or bad, I read them all and answer them all. Or you can email me at yourfingermyring@proton.me. That's good, that's gone. There you go. The shiny bit there. Right, let's break out Kate Bush. And she's not looking brilliant today, but not too bad. This is like a quad zero steel wool. Doesn't really scratch, it just cleans it up. Give it edge dry. Right, how's it looking? Yeah, it's nice. So if you're from Polynesia and you're looking for a nice ring, right, let's give it a bit of polish. Yeah, it's going to be a nice ring, this one. Yeah, all my rings in my shop are EU size. So all I'm going to need from you is your ring size, and I can make you a nice coin ring. Don't forget, Christmas is coming. These make terribly great gifts. If you're looking for a certain year of a coin, let me know, I might have it. Right, let's put in Felton John. I'll give the outside a bit of a whiz round. Right, what we got? My girlfriend goes over these when I've finished the video, because my hands are still covered in rubbish, oil and polish. So one day this is like a magic trick. One day there's going to be a little bird come out of this instead of a coin. I don't know when, but I think it's going to happen. There you go, folks. One Polynesian, 100 franc coin. And there you go, you got all the detail on the inside. That's why I used the kitchen roll. It's the date, 1988. The size, oh, it fits my little finger a little bit. What size we got now then? This is a size 68.5. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Tubby bye bye.